This is Premier Ford's Accident Repair Centre. Situated at Premier Ford's Newport dealership, the state-of-the-art facilities are BSI 10125 approved. Our Accident Repair Centre is an accredited member of the Vizion Network and AGL Network, so we are approved by all major insurance companies and work with British standards to ensure all vehicles are repaired to the highest possible standard. Our IMI trained technicians can repair any make and model of car or van. With ongoing training, our technicians will ensure any vehicle is repaired to manufacturer's specification using methods obtained from the specific manufacturer and Thatcham research. It is Premier Ford's policy to use locally sourced, genuine manufacturer's parts wherever possible. Company investment in 2017 saw the Accident Repair Centre increase in space and capacity, as well as the introduction of 2 new external ovens, larger than the previous ovens, to accommodate long wheelbase and high roof light commercial vehicles. Redevelopment of the department created bigger working areas to improve productivity. The greater space and capacity means there is a swifter turnaround for customers waiting for their cars to be repaired. Premier Ford offers all kinds of body repair, from alloy wheel refurbishment, headlight refurbishment, smart repair such as bumper scrapes and paint, to major bodywork. All equipment is the latest specification, including our jig facilities, as well as cold repair facility for manufacturers that require non-welding. And we use Octoral and Spies Hecker high-tech 4th generation water-based paint, which incorporates the use of a spectrometer for the perfect match, whatever the colour or effect. All work is completed with a lifetime guarantee on workmanship. Customer service is a vital part of the company's ethos, and so the Accident Repair Centre has a fleet of manual or automatic transmission courtesy cars that are less than 2 years old. A collection and delivery service is available too. Premier Ford's Accident Repair Centre is open Monday to Friday, as well as Saturday mornings 8:30 to 12:30, and the team are happy to give free estimates as well as friendly advice. Mobile estimates are available too. Just ask.